The PimpStar from DUB. The PimpStar from DUB. The craziest thing that hit the streets since they invented the wheel.
Frame kinda clean, name in my green. When it come to buying PimpStars, money ain't a thing.
You can send text, graphics, even digital photos to your wheels. And you can do it while you're driving. The software allows you to create virtually any image and send it to all the wheels or each wheel individually without stopping your car. Got something to communicate? PimpStar helps your game.
New rims is brightening, but not like these. Different color lights like you're driving Christmas trees. When it comes to the best, it's not a picture that's clearer. Put your face in the rims, then it's close to a mirror. Got my ram to the right, when it spins, see the light. Everybody on the street steady on, cause they tight. Others booing cause they like, we too heavy in the game. You show me your rim where they could customize your name. When they customize your frame, gotta take it to the shop. PimpStars only got rims that's hot. 20 inches then drop. Can't knock the pimp, cause the rims are like the lighters on the Goodyear brimmer. Got the 24 glazing, PimpStars blazing. Chrome and light ups, got your pimp status raising. PimpStars amazing.
PimpStar is rewriting history. Don't let it pass you by.